Hello everybody, this is Karthikeya from CSB. The topic is Futures of Perfect Competition. Under the market structure, we can study perfect competition and imperfect competition. The market structure covering so many small competitors that anyone frames behavior is unrelated to its competitors. It predicts how the price and output are determined and can be changed due to behavior of the frames. It considers the short run changes and long run changes. Under the perfect competition, buyers and sellers have no choice but accept the going price. For example, International Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, oil market. What is meant by perfect competition? Competition generally cannot rivalry among individual or groups. Market prices are set in an auction environment for a huge number of goods by the thousands of buyers. There is no bargaining amongst the buyers and sellers. The price of the product will tend to be equal at everywhere in the market. Product is a market are identical and homogeneous. So, what is perfect competition? A perfect competition market may be defined as a large number of buyers and sellers, all engaged in the purchase and sale of all identity similar commodities who are in close contact with another and who buy and sell freely among themselves. Perfect market is market where nobody can control over the price of the product. Let us see the main features of perfect competition. Main features of perfect competition. Homogeneous product. There is no typical feature associated with the product of a particular frame. Buyer cannot differentiate between the products of two companies or frames. Under the perfect competition, the products are identical and homogeneous in nature. The substitute is available in the market, so buyer easily go to another seller to buy the product at the same price. A large number of sellers. In this market structure, a large number of sellers are frames. No one can influence the total supply of industry. There is no impact on price too. The demand for the product is perfectly elastic. Therefore, all firms are price taker and accept the market price. In this market structure, a large number of seller firms, no one can influence the total supply of industry. So, no one can influence the total supply of industry, and there is no impact on price too. When a large number of sellers, there is no impact on price too. So, the demand for the product is perfectly elastic. Large number of buyers. Another feature of perfect competition is a large number of buyers. There are homogeneous products in the product market, so he can go anywhere and buy the product. Any individual demand cannot affect the total market demand and price of the product. Therefore, all the buyers in the such market are price takers. Complete knowledge of the market. Under the perfect competition, it is assumed that all the sellers and the buyers have perfect knowledge of the market. Further, the sellers and buyers are aware of the price that sellers sell the product and the buyers offer the same. So, buyers and sellers use opportunity of good bargain. So, under the perfect competition, it is assumed that all the sellers and the buyers have perfect knowledge of the market. So, everyone will assume that the sellers and the buyers have perfect knowledge on the market. So it is good opportunity to good bargain. No transaction cost. The buyer accepts the price of the product that the seller received. In such a market, the buyers and sellers do not earn any no trans cost. There is no additional cost. Economic rationality. The perfect competition, characterized with assumption of economic reality. It indicates that any one buyer or seller come to the market on his own interest, as they have complete knowledge of the market and equal price for homogeneous product. Freedom of entry and exit. It is the most crucial feature of the market competition. In the long run, any firm can enter into the market for profit objections and any firm can lose the market due to loss. Perfect mobility of factors of production. Under the perfect competition, the factors of production are perfectly mobile so that they can move from one frame to another. The skilled workers can also free to move from one frame to another frame. No intervention of government. It is one of the more important feature of the perfect competition that there is no government regulation as such. The government has no intervention regarding the market structure in the terms of tariff, subsidies, etc. So there is no government regulations in the market. Normal profit level. The perfect competition has fully mobilized factors, elastic demand, not control over the prices. All these assumptions tend to create average revenue is equal to marginal cost. It produces normal profit level for the long run frame. So, conclusion. Maximum allocation of factors of production. Competition encourages the efficiency of the output. Bargaining power of buyer can lower the price of the product. More importance to the consumer behavior, which may change demand and supply the product. This is the features of perfect competition. Thank you.